Now that we've identified great keyword opportunities, let's move on to step 3 and see what our competitors are ranking for that we aren't. This is one of the best ways to uncover hidden content opportunities and bridge ranking gaps. We'll use Semrush's Keyword Gap Tool to find untapped keywords that have search traffic but aren't being leveraged on our site yet. Navigate to Semrush's Keyword Gap Tool on the left navbar. Then enter your domain. For our demonstration, let's say our website is diethood.com, a food blog. Then add 3 to 4 competitor domains. In this case, we'll use the top 3 sites from the SERP analysis page for mini chocolate chip cookies. Copying them over, we have cookingclassy.com, krollscorner.com, and chellssweets.com. These sites target similar audiences to our primary domain, so analyzing their keyword strengths will help us identify what's missing from our own content. Click Compare to generate the keyword overlap report. Once the report loads, scroll down and check out the top opportunities. Missing keywords are high-volume keywords your competitors rank for, but you don't. This is ideal for creating new content. Weak keywords are keywords where your site ranks lower than your competitors, signaling an opportunity for optimization or content improvement. Looking at this report, we see some of the high-potential keywords Diethood is missing. Click on View Details, or scroll down and click Missing to see all of the missing keywords. The numbers in each of these columns represent the position in the Google search results where these sites show up for these various keywords. So since Diethood isn't showing up at all, it's represented by a 0. Cooking Classy shows up as number 58 in the Google search results for crinkle cookies, Kohl's Corner at 35, and Chell Sweets at 73. Click on any keyword in the missing category to view its search intent, volume, and keyword difficulty. For example, brown butter cookies has 9,900 searches per month and moderate difficulty. It's informational, meaning a recipe post would probably be the best way to target it. Let's go back to the previous page. To boost our mini chocolate chip cookies recipe, let's find relevant missing keywords we can add to the article. For example, I like mini cookies. Scrolling through, I also see miniature cookies, mini cookie, small cookies, mini cookies chips, and small cookie recipe. Notice a lot of these keywords I'm adding are just variations on the mini or small cookies theme that we didn't find with the keyword ideas previously. Click on the plus icon next to relevant keywords to add them to the list, or click on the checkbox, then scroll up back to the top and click the Add to Keyword list, selecting the mini chocolate chip cookies recipe blog. Next, let's get some quick wins. Let's look for keywords where you rank between 11 and 30, which is page 2 of Google's search results. Wait, hold on. Page 2? Did you know there was a second page of Google? Page 2 gets hardly any traffic, so let's push these up to page 1 where all the attention is. These weak ranking keywords on page 2 are low-hanging fruit. Since we're already ranking close to page 1, we can tweak or expand our existing content to push them higher. To find these keywords, go to Weak, then at the top under Filters, click Position, U Domain, and Custom Range from 11 to 30, then click Apply. Scrolling down, we can see all of these keywords and where they rank compared to the competitors. These weak ranking keywords on page 2 are low-hanging fruit. Since we're already ranking close to page 1, we can tweak or expand our existing content to push them higher. For an example, Little Chocolate Chip Cookies is ranked number 22. In this example, since our primary domain, diethood.com, already has a mini chocolate chip cookie recipe, the best move for this website is to update that post to better target this keyword. Let's add it to our list. We'll also add some of these other keywords. As you build your keyword list, prioritize missing keywords when you're planning new content, and prioritize weak keywords when you're optimizing existing content. By filling these gaps and improving underperforming pages, we can create a data-driven content strategy that aligns with real search demand.